A transparent, safe, and easy way to invest in DeFi and the Web3. Okay, we're talking about CakeDeFi.com. Now, guys, I'm super excited about this, but before we get into disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. Guys, the FIRE movement is what everyone's talking about, okay? You can register now and allocate assets into the staking and liquidity mining freezer for a minimum of 6 months to receive up to $1,000 worth of bonus in DeFi. Now, guys, gain FIRE. Now, what is FIRE? It's not a token. Financial independence and retire early. That's this movement that this project has begun. And grow your wealth with Cake DeFi. Guys, it's super easy, right? We're already in it. It's happening right now. The more you allocate, the closer you get to your FIRE, that movement, the bonus you receive, all right? Selecting the difference between investments. All you gotta do is choose any of the following. You can claim it. Claim 50 USD just by following now and allocating. Okay, claim up to 250 USD, 500,000 USD. Guys, this is incredible. How do you get started? You just simply sign up. New users have to just register and successfully complete the KYC. Invest, allocate the assets into the staking or liquidity mining fee. Claim it, claim FIRE bonuses and paid out immediately after successful allocation, and it'll be frozen for more than 1 month. As FIRE is a great opportunity for new Cake DeFi users to receive up to $1,000 worth of DeFi and gain financial independence and retire early. Like we keep saying, get started now and gain up to 20% on your crypto. Guys, I want to say it one more time. Financial independence and retire early. Is that not what we are all trying to do? Is that not the end goal? Guys, these have the movement going. They have everything written out, a blueprint for you to actually gain that. So here we go, guys, on CakeDeFi.com. Now you can see here straight away, high yields every week, all right? Enough said. What I want you to think about is now we're in the new year, right? Did you stick to your resolutions? Did you keep going, all right? You should make it your resolution to actually diversify your portfolio, guys. That's what we're here to do and actually achieve FIRE with crypto, okay? That's what we're trying to do here, guys. So all you gotta do is click sign up now and you can actually sign up and have a look in, but I wanna give you an oversight of the website. You got the get started here where you can go on your Cake journey, build your crypto portfolio, maximize the crypto wealth. We have the earnings, so you can actually earn through different ways here, okay? We got the lending, the freeze, the stake, and liquidity mining. We've got the borrowing sessions. You got the learn, where you got learn and earn, the blog, the community, the affiliate program, referral program, VIP program, which we'll touch on, the support, which is fantastic, submit requests of the FAQs, and the company. So we can actually learn everything about them, the enterprise, the ventures, the research, the careers, security, proof of reserve, transparency, and media center. Okay, so let's just go quickly on the about us. So what am I talking about? We do crypto, you do you. That's what they say. So founded in 2019, Cake DeFi is a leading decentralized finance service provider, Southeast Asia's fastest growing fintech platform. The DeFi is headquartered and registered in Singapore. Now, like it says on here, okay, why do millions trust this? Numbers don't lie. They got over $400 million reward and payout, 1 million plus users worldwide, 1 billion plus customer assets, 5 years plus saved runaway. Now, high rates, frequent payout, and full transparency. You got the high returns every 12 hours, doubling your rewards. Okay, get up to 2 times your return. Choose from 1 month up to 10 years, and you got trust-free complete transparency. So reports and real-time data of what happens with your funds. Guys, join millions, banking billions. That's a good statement because it's true, all right? There's literally 37,000 plus followers on Facebook, 17,000 plus in Telegram, 50,000 plus on Twitter, 21,000 plus on YouTube, 34 plus on Instagram, 23 plus in LinkedIn, and 6,000 plus in Reddit followers. Guys, they are taking the world by storm, okay? We've got all the major coins accepted, all right? You can actually show all of the supported assets here, guys. So if you need to take a screenshot, please do. If not, go on the link down below and have a look, okay? Everything. Now, no crypto, no problem, okay? Fund your account. Get started by depositing your coins to your account, not crypto. Buy crypto using a credit card. That's step 1. Step 2, what you're gonna do is choose a Cake product, allocate your funds into various DeFi services. Number 3, you're gonna earn. So rewards are paid out to your account often as twice daily, auto compounding your rewards and earn more. They have products for every single appetite, right? Whether you're a newbie or an experienced investor, they have a product that's right for you. And if you wanna join the FIRE movement, like I spoke about before, making that FIRE investment, okay? If you wanna join the FIRE movement, get involved. We got liquidity mining, we got staking, we got earning, okay? Guys, look at the percentages, 20.41, 17.7, we've got 7.5, up to double your yield. Guys, it's incredible. I love this so much. It's ridiculous. Okay, again, sign up, hit that link down below and get in fun. There's no funny business, okay? Cake DeFi adheres to security practices throughout the software development lifecycle and follows stringent information security standards. If you want to learn about it, go through the FAQs, guys. Trustpilot is banging on about them. They've got in every single major thing, Forbes, CoinDesk, Bloomberg, tech in Asia, everything you need. And guys, you can download this simply on the App Store or the Google Store. How does that sound so far? Let me know in the comments. What I want to do is actually sign up and create a Cake account just to show you the insights to this. So guys, now I've signed up and made an account. You can see we've got the KYC to do. That's know your client, okay, verifying your phone number and things like that. It's really cool. You got the freezer, all the products at the top. We've got the freezer, referral, VIP, learn, transparency, proof of reserves, and you've got your account here. It's super user friendly. Shows you what assets worth, allocated, frozen, and available at the bottom. Okay, you can actually hide this as well so you can't see them. And everything comes up here. So if you buy Dash, for example, it's going to go in here, okay? DeFi is going to go in here and you'll see it. You can actually use your buy, swap, deposit, and withdraw methods and change your filters to how you want to see it. Guys, what I do is when I buy them, I just click this, hide my zero balances, and it just comes up with the other insights, okay? If you had Bitcoin, for example, it would come up there. Obviously on this account I've just made for the dummy, it's not in there. But everything, look how easy this is. It's super user friendly, super user friendly. There's no worrying about getting lost in this, having to do it. Keeps everything there for you guys. I love this. Please be safe when you're investing, but get involved in this. There you go, guys. Please hit all their socials up, okay? I'm so blessed that I got to bring in this project. Hit that like button, hit subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.